Hi, so right now I've just received the GAN 13 Maglev Frosted from Joshua Asuncion. So thank you, Joshua, for sending this to me, and that price was a good deal. So enjoy the video. Okay, now buksan na natin. Okay, bubuksan ko na guys. At ito na. The moment of truth. Now I will know why most of the cubers don't like this cube because, the overly fast turning with the quality of the technology of the internals and the structure of the pieces. And yeah. Actually, kaya ko talagang bilhin to dati ba? Hindi ko lang mabili kasi marami siyang bad reviews at ayun. Mas prefer nila yung Gun 12 Maglev UV. But still, ito talaga yung gusto kong bilhin. This is the type of gun that I really want to buy. Okay, so gagamitin ko na lang siya ng gunting kasi ang hirap niyang buksan. At ayun nga. Ito na po siya guys. Here's the GAN 13 Maglev Frosted. Okay. Okay, that was complicated to open. As you can see, the in butik tinarnig. As you can see, na-open ko na po yung box. Ito po siya. At wala pa din pang attach dito sa ano ko. Mini mic. As of now, wala yung foam ko sa mini mic kaya magsasalita na lang ako ng ano. Medyo wala to. So, here we go. This is how you open the gun boxes. So, right now, ito yung problema pala. Ayun na bumukas. Masira daw. Okay. Tignan natin yung card. Okay. It says GAN 13 Maglev. So as you can see, it has a shiny design with this dazzling this straight lines or curvy lines. As you can see, there are two QR codes with this card. It says GAN Chinese and GAN Instagram. Okay. Let's do first turns. Okay. So out of the box, okay naman siya. Very stable and light to turn. Yung internals niya ay a little bit hollowed. At wala naman ng problemang nakikita dito. Let's check corner cutting. Reverse corner cutting. Okay, right now let's check the pieces. First, we're gonna take a look with the edge. So as you can see, it has a honeycomb design right here. I don't know if you can see it. Wait. Bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng picture sa photos ata. Mamaya sa story, sa post ko sa YouTube. And I think this is a magnetic core. And yeah, it has a magnet core inside. So let's check the inner piece in the center. Let's remove the center cap. Okay, same as the GAN 356 maglev. The typical adjustment, as you can see from the, what do you call this, adjustment system, the compression and the spring, I mean maglev, because this settings doesn't have the spring. It was replaced by some magnets. So instead of using the springs, they used magnets magnets to make this more stable. But some of the cubers said maglev is not really good for cubes because it has some errors while turning it. But still, I think it's kind of true because I've had the RS3 and 2021 back then, and the turning was horrible. And yeah, so let's do a solve with this cube. Okay, let's do an example solve. 1262. Not bad. Okay, full max speed, try natin. 1240. Okay, last na to, without lube. Kailangan na ito ng lube. Masyadong unstable. Ayaw talaga, puro 12. Okay, super messed up na. Hindi siya mabagal, alam mo yung ano lang. Hindi mo maano yung flow ng yun. Medyo maano na natin. Dapat something. Okay, so right now let's check the, what do you call this? The accessories box. Okay, so dito pala siya binubuksan. Bakit parang mali yung design ng box? Imbes dito sa top, nandito siya sa ano, sa side ng box. Accessories box. Grabe namang ano to, gimmick na to. Okay, as you can see, we've got the gun bag here. Nice and clean. AI beginning tutorial card that is not really useful right today because it's not AI. And this GAN 13 is not a Bluetooth cube that can be connected with a phone. The GAN 13 maglev instruction manuals, the algorithms of how you can solve this cube. See, ayan. Ito na babasahin. Wala tayong adjustment tool, which is not good though. Ano ko kaya adjust to ngayon? I don't know, man. Yun lang guys. Here are my thoughts about this cube. Hi, so here are my final thoughts about this Gun 13 maglev. So the cube is stable. You can turn it freely by your own will, but the problem is it has some minor catches while turning it. So do I recommend it to you? Yes, if you want to buy it, and no, because there are other cubes that you can buy from this price range. You can buy the X-Mon Tornado V3M flagship if you want to, but the standard version is still good though. And if not that cube, you can buy the Moyu RS3M 20. I mean Moyu RS3M V5 ball core maglev UV coated. Ayan. Wait, about dun pala sa ano, Tornado V3 flagship, mas maganda siya kasi stable at very easy to turn, while yung RS3M V5 naman na maglev ball core UV coated. Very stable siya but not recommended by others because not others, just me, because if you accidentally drop the cube, it will have a chip right here. Magkakaroon siya ng basag at yun. So still maganda pa rin naman siya. You can buy it on Shopee or Lazada if you want to. And the price of that cube is ranging from 700 pesos to 1,000 pesos. You can buy it if you want to. And right now, the X-Mon Tornado V3 flagship has dropped the price. It became it started from being 1,500 to 1,000 pesos right now. Uh the price was decreased, and yeah, thank you. Bye.